Guys, getting into the firecrackers. These are brand new for this year, I'm pretty sure. Could be wrong, but double check me on that, but I'm pretty sure these Apex firecrackers are brand new. I bought the, what did I get? Oh, right here. Got these, man. 3 1,000 rolls for 26 bucks. And if you just want one, 12. With the percents off, it's probably gonna be about 8 something with the Black Friday deal. And you can get them by the box if you don't want one, if you obviously want more. Saturn missiles. I haven't seen those in a long time. Bad Boy by Shogun. Little dynamite. We want big dynamite. Oh, these are fun. You know what? Guys, don't slack on these nuclear snaps. They're just as loud as firecrackers, and they're just a lot of fun. Put them in your hand, throw them up, tape them up. That's what I do. Air bombs. Prices on that. Can't go wrong. 144. I had to get a few of these too. Kind of like your Winda, Noisy Boys, Monkey Mania's got their own brand, their own little types. More Saturn missiles, more Saturn missiles. If you want the big one, 750 shots. And you get the 1500 right here, Captain America. These are crazy. These are really nice, especially if you're doing a show. All right, let's go to the other side. For all you kids out there, sparklers. So many brands, I love it. It's kind of a novelty item, so I'll go quick through this. These are a lot of fun if you're having a birthday. These are cold sparklers, no heat, cold, so you ain't gonna get burnt. Get your smoke balls, smoke bombs. If you want to do a unit reveal, pink and blue, I like that. Cyclone Rider, never seen these. So just more new stuff I keep seeing. These are a lot of fun by Bright Star. The grenades, pull the pin. Okay guys, we're gonna go down, just get the prices for you. Okay, and this stuff down here. These are fun. Okay. Get the ladybugs. This is cool, man. I think I might have to get this on the way out. And if I can, for all you Star Wars fans, I think I might have to get that. That's really cool. Ground blooms. Icebird. Tortoise. You got the spinning wheels. You can hold these with a stick and it spins. Those are really fun. I'm gonna get those. I have to demo those soon. And you get some. Hey Tony, tell him I said make sure he gets it done. Fountain. Okay guys, for that. And you got the handheld buzzsaws. You say not to hold in the hand, but obviously you hold. But once again, I'm not saying that. Cone fountains. 343, 691. Ooh. The hell are these? Chairs, man. Pitbull brand. Oh, that's pretty cool. Pac-Man. Well, oh, what's that? Hello. That's pretty cool. I like that. I got this. I'll demo that one off. I think they're only the price tag. I think it's like $7 or $8, give or take. Probably it was probably less than that. All right, guys, we're almost done with this aisle, and then we're gonna go to the no abs. All right, I got the fountains right here. Koi. Got your Winda Pyro Blend. I got the Movie Time popcorn. Get your Black Cat 1.21 gigawatts. If you guys don't know the movie, you should. Great Scott. Corny joke, I know. Good burger. $12 for Movie Time. I'll take that all day. Bugs up. Just gotta go through these quick, guys. I'm gonna go up top first. Sorry. Wildcat. That's a good one. Traffic Night. Never seen that before. Snow Cone, classic. I love that one. Even the junior ones are really good too. I've got all those on the channel. Fire and Ice, definitely a good one. I was gonna get this. I passed on it just for today, but next time, definitely gonna grab it. 39, 41. And I heard this one. Valmer always tells me to try this one out, so I told him next time I come, I will try that one out. Neon Lights, Black Hat. Night Elf. Medusa, that looks pretty cool. I like the artwork on that. I got this, so I'll let Woody got these two. I'll have a stash update on the way, guys, of the consumer stuff, and if you guys know, you know. All right, guys. Oh wait, almost, okay guys, gonna go into the no abs, and that'll wrap it up.